In this video, I'll be showing you guys on how to install Stremio on JVC Smart TV, okay? So let's get started. Now, the first thing that you should check is check your JVC TV type, okay? Now, if your JVC Smart TV is Android TV, as you guys can see here, then that is a good news because Stremio works. However, if your JVC Smart TV is Roku, well, then there's bad news because Stremio does not exist on Roku store and cannot be side loaded, okay? So first we're going to be talking about just the Android TV. So go ahead and open Google Play Store on your TV. Just simply search Stremio, install, open, login, and you're done, okay? However, if Stremio doesn't appear in the Play Store, then we have another way to download it, okay? So first you have to go to the settings, security, unknown sources, and allow, okay? So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you the path once again. This is the path: settings, security, unknown sources, and allow, okay? Then you have to download the APK via the downloader app. So now this is the app you have to download via the Google Play Store, and once you download it, you'll have to, what we say, go ahead and open it up, and this is how it looks like. Now once this is open, you'll have to go and copy this link, which is streamio.com/downloads, and you'll have to paste it right there, okay? And then click on go. Then you'll have to download Android TV APK and install it, and then Stremio will work. Now let's say your TV is this one right here, which is a JVC with Roku in it, okay? Now you cannot install Stremio directly, however there are working alternatives, okay? So option number one is to screen mirror from Android or iPhone. So open Stremio on your phone, on your TV, and enable screen mirroring, okay? On your phone, cast to Roku or JVC, and this 100% works, okay? Now option 2 is to plug in a device that supports Stremio. For example, you have Amazon Fire Stick, Chromecast with Google TV, you have Android TV box, and lastly NVIDIA Shield, okay? And then you can easily install Stremio normally because all these devices support Stremio, okay? So yeah, that's basically it on how you can download Stremio on JVC TVs, and I hope that this video has helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.